Hello, beautiful people! I'm very happy to be with you tonight for a new video. This is an unboxing video, something I received, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So, very nice package, by the way. Very nice thank you card. Thank you, Nat. Enjoy the deck. Blessings. Very nice. And the deck. So very nice pouch, velvet touch, very beautiful blue sky color. I just love it. And it's a small deck, as you can see. It's a Lenormand deck, a Lenormand deck. I say it in French because it's a French name. So a very beautiful and very whimsical and magical and everything Lenormand. I'm so excited. So this is a very limited edition. This is a sister deck to the Minute Tarot by Robyn Tisch, Hollister. And this is the Minute Lenormand. This is so cute. Chronata's Minute Lenormand Oracle deck by Robyn Tisch, Hollister. So it's a small deck, as you can see. This is the back, very nice with stars and kind of spirals, very beautiful. I like that. So this is the presentation card, and in this deck you have 36 cards plus 2. So it means 38. This is the third edition of a limited edition of 25 decks. So it's numbered and signed, as you can see. Very nice. I love it. And of course, I'm gonna show you the cards. So this is the rider. As you can see, you only have the number of the card. You don't have any title or any cartomancy symbol. But this is very beautiful. I love the colors. I love the simple artwork. It's childish, but I love it very much. I don't have the tarot deck. I hope I will someday. But I really love the Lenormand. The clover. The sheep, very beautiful. The house. The tree. The clouds, the snake, very beautiful colors, really. I just love the colors, and the artwork is just perfect. The coffin, flowers, the scythe, the whip. Here we have the owls or the birds. Up to you. The child, the fox, beautiful colors, very bright, very nice. The bear, the stars. I love this one, very, very pretty card. The storks, very beautiful. The dog, the doggy, very cute. Look at him. Or her, who knows. The tower, the garden, very nice. The mountains with the snow on them, very beautiful. Crossroads, the mice, very beautiful. They're so cute. Oh, the heart, look at this heart, so magical. Rainbow colors and very beautiful. The ring, I love this one too, very nice. The book, it's one of my favorite Lenormand right now. I mean, wow. I'm glad I found this on Etsy. I don't want to say something wrong, but I think it's sold out right now. The letter. This is the gentleman. And this is the lady, lilies, beautiful colors. I love the sun and the moon. The sun and the moon, look at them. The key, very nice colors. The fish reminds me of Nemo, lovely. The anchor, the cross. And you have extra cards with no names, actually. Or maybe I have to read the whole thing. I don't know. You have the fortune teller, and you have another one. And as you only have a man and a woman, I thought that maybe you can use those two, you know, to have to do spreads with 2 women and 2 men. So this one can be the second woman, and this one can be the second man. Why not? So it's an interesting deck, as we have 2 extra cards. It's interesting because it's a real Lenormand deck, even if it's maybe, I don't know how to say that. The artwork is childish, it's magical, it's whimsical, you have beautiful colors and stuff, but it's a real Lenormand deck. So I like that. I really love it. And I love the backs, I love the artwork, the size is perfect, small size. It's a Lenormand deck, obviously. And the card stock is okay. They're flimsy, but quality is okay. And it's homemade card deck. So I think that Robyn cut the card herself. So it's a self-published deck, of course, different from the tarot deck because it was published by a publisher. But this one is homemade and self-published, so I like that. I really love it, and really like the presentation card. It's cute, and I like that it's numbered. So what I like, it's number 22 on 25, and my birthday it's the 22nd. So this is just amazing. I was like, oh my god. Very happy about that. So before I finish this video, it comes with a folder. So you have an introduction, you have a card spread with 9 cards. You have the minute meanings. This is very interesting because you have, for all the cards, you have only 1 keyword. So I like that. And then you have traditional meanings with different keywords. So this is beautiful. It was printed in 2018, so this year. And I was very happy to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I see you soon in another video. You guys take care. Bye bye.